How to send photo or video as a snap from camera roll on your Snapchat. Open your Snapchat application and make sure to sign in to your account. So once you're on this camera section of Snapchat, tap on this two cards icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So as you see, you have reached on this memories section. So in order to send photos or videos as a snap from camera roll, just tap on camera roll which is next to home. Now from here you can select any photo or video that you want to send as a snap. Under camera roll as well you can select resend or screenshots. You can also select photo or video from Facebook, Snapchat, My Albums, Collage and 100 Pins. So once you select it, you can easily edit this video or photo that you wish to on your own style. You can add the text, stickers and many more from the right bar or the right panel. You can see many options. Once you are done with that, you can tap on send to button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here you can also add it to your spotlight or stories and send it easily to your friends. From here you can either select friends or the Snapchatter from recent or you can also select from quick add and tap on those users that you want to send, and now tap on arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen and easily send photo or video as a snap from camera roll. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.